Okay, so this video we'll be looking at how to approach to photo edit your photos, and also we'll basically use the one that you're probably going to use later on into after your high school career. So hopefully this will help. The main thing is just that a lot of people will ask like which software should I use? You have multiple software. There's some that are free that are really cool to use. Some are a little bit more expensive, but at least they do a lot more. If you pay for it, I'm pretty sure that they'll do a lot more. So over here, I'm going to show you a few of them that you can use. For me, it's very simple. It's just that you have first start is that the free one you can actually have if you have a Google account. So Gmail, very easy. If you go into your Google and you log in and you click onto the apps, you can actually just go to Google Chrome apps also, and then this will pop up. So therefore, these are all the apps, some of the apps that I'm using. You can search for Pixel Art Editor. If you click onto this, and if you open that up, that will open a similar kind of software as Photoshop. So as you can see, it has layers, it has all the tools that you're going to see over here. We're not going to spend too much time in this one, I'm not so sure for now, because what you do in Photoshop, you can basically do it in this software. So the one that I use, the most common one that I use for photo edits, the basic of ones, is just that it's the Photoshop Lightroom. You can get this right now. This one is a very old version. It's Lightroom 3. Now I think it's Lightroom 6. If you subscribe online, you can get it for, I think it's $10 a month. So this is the one that I use probably 90% of the time, especially for doing the basic of photo editing. The other one that I use is obviously the Photoshop. That's the more rigorous one, and the one that you're going to use for doing some master or major changes into your photos. That's the one that I'm going to be using. So just to review and which one should you use, very simple. It's just that most people could be satisfied with this one, Lightroom. You do some basic edits, you will do some color correction, you can do some enhancements of certain areas, and you can crop your photos in this one. So that's where you spend. If you want to have a little bit more photo editing power, then you can go to Photoshop. Then the limits is restricted to your creativity. As simple as that. So hopefully you get to see the picture. In the next few videos that I'm be doing is that I will go for the first part in Lightroom, and I'll show that also into Photoshop. The main basic editing, it's about like maybe 10 basic editing that you can use, and it will make your photos really good.